Hello scholars, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 11. And the name of the chapter is Our Nation. Scholars, see the picture here. This is the flag of our country. It is the symbol of free India. Tiranga is our national flag. It is also known as tricolor because it has three colors: saffron, white, and green. Scholars, it also has a Ashok Chakra in the center in blue color. Every country has its national flag and symbols. India also has many national symbols. So scholars, today we are going to talk about the national symbols of India. So the first one is Indian rupee is our national currency, and this is its symbol. Second is national animal. So, tiger is the national animal of India. Next national symbol that we are going to talk about is national bird. So, the national bird of India is peacock. Fourth national symbol we're going to talk about is national fruit. So, the national fruit of India is mango, which we all love to eat a lot. Next national symbol that we are going to talk about is the national flower of India. Scholars, national flower of India is lotus. Okay, the last one, national tree. So, the national tree of India is banyan tree. Scholars, our country is a land of unity in diversity because people of different lifestyles, art, food habits, and belief live together happily. People of India are called Indians, and we are proud to be Indians. So scholars, here we come to the end of chapter number 11. Now it's time to do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. First point to remember is we live in India. Name of our country is India, right? Second point to remember is every country has its national flag and symbols. Third point to remember is our national flag has three colors: saffron, white, and green. Fourth point to remember is our national symbols are, our national animal is tiger, national bird is peacock, national flower is lotus, national fruit is mango, and national tree is banyan tree. Now, scholars, it's time to do some exercise given on page number 84. So, I would like all of you to open page number 84 of your EVS book. So, scholars, let's read the question first. Match the following national symbols and write their names. So, what we have to do in this question is, first we have to match the pictures given here with their national symbols, with their names. And then we have to write the names under the pictures also. So, let's begin it. Begin with the first one. First one is national animal. So, our national animal is tiger. So, we will match it with tiger here. And now, we need to write the spelling of tiger here. Okay? T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. So, in this way, first we have to match the national symbol and then we have to write the spelling also. Okay. Now see the next one. Next one is national bird. So which is our national bird? Yes. Our national bird is peacock. So we will match it with peacock and peacock is here. And then we have to write the spelling of peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Okay? Now see the third one. National tree. So, which is our national tree? Our national tree is banyan tree. Yes, right. So, we will match it with banyan tree. And then we have to write the name of banyan tree here. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan tree. Okay. Now see the next one. Next one is national flower. So, which is our national flower? Our national flower is lotus. So, let's match it with lotus. And we need to write the spelling of lotus here. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Okay? Now see the next one. National fruit, which is already matched. Our national fruit is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. It's our national fruit. Now see the next one and the last one. National currency symbol. So, what is our national currency symbol? Indian rupee. Yes, rupee. So, we will first match it with it. And then we will write the name. It's Indian rupee. Okay? So this is the way how we'll match the national symbols and then we have to write the names. Okay, scholars? So I hope you enjoyed this chapter. Scholars, the worksheet and assignment related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe.